Let me show you a quick design on Canva on how to create a wedding invitation like this or any sort of invitation. So you're going to open up your Canva, go to create, click on custom size, and you want the size 5 by 7 in inches. Once you have that, click on create design. You should have a template that looks something like this. Then you will go into elements. In elements, you're going to type in background. You can type in any color background you want. I typed in blue and this is what I got. But for today, for the illustration of this video, I'm going to keep it simple and short. Go back into element and type in watercolor green. You'll be able to find all those beautiful leaves that you can use to design your wedding invitation. You type in watercolor, you find a set of beautiful flowers that are in watercolor colors. They look so beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and stick with the watercolor flowers because my background is white. And I'm going to start to drop in all the flowers and the elements and design as I like, including a butterfly. Position as you like and start to creative with your invitation. Mine looks like this. When I was done placing all the flowers where I wanted to place them, you're going to go back into text and pick any text size, duplicate them and start to play around with the text. I went ahead and I had a heading text size, which gave me a big size. So I used that to create the J and the S, which are the initials of the couples getting married. And I'm going to go ahead and use different font sizes like this one to create all the other writings around my invitation. You can manipulate this and just stick to what you know or play around with all the text that I've used here. I've got some of them on the screen like this one. So you can go ahead and copy it and use it to build your own and information on the invitation. Go back into element and type in lines just to give it a more aesthetic look. You can also click on the line and right at the top of the design, you would see where you can change the weight of the line and make it thicker or thinner. I personally do not like using lines. In order for you to get the other aspect ratio of the lines, you can rotate them by using the rotation button on the screen, just like how I have done. Like I said, I do not personally like using lines because I find that sometimes when you try to increase or decrease them, they tend to be slightly wonky. I went back into the lines element and I picked some of the boxes that were available there. And now I started to change the colors of the font by using the elements or the colors in my invitation flowers to build up the font to give it a more uniformed and aesthetic look. We're going to go back into element and type in ring, dove, champagne flute, whatever it is that you want to use as a picture that represents a wedding. I went for the ring and voila, this is it. I'm done with my wedding invitation. Go ahead and try this and let me see your design and tag me in. If you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment and share and subscribe for more. Don't forget to check my link in bio for access to my Canva mini course bundle or simply scan the QR code on your screen.